So we all know how important it is to journal your trades, how important it is to actually write down your trades, why you took them, how you took them, what did you see, so that if you have something that's working, you can what? You can keep on doing the same thing. That's all that you need to do in forex trading. You don't need 1,000 trading strategies. You don't need 1,000 setups. You don't need a whole lot of things to succeed in trading. You just need a good setup that you trust, one trading plan that you rely on, discipline, and all the stuff. But then if you are not journaling your trades, if you are not writing them down, the reasons why you took that trade, how you saw it, the setup, how you saw it, and stuff like that, it becomes harder to know what is working and definitely what is not. Because if you can track your losing trades, if you journal your trades, and you definitely see what's working and what's not, then in the future you actually learn to avoid the things that are not working, and you can focus on the things that are actually working. So it's very important to actually journal your trades, but it can be a headache to journal your trades, which is why I decided to make this video, just to share with you a handy app that I use to journal my trades. I'll actually install it on this phone. It's a new phone, but we'll go through the process together. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, that's the only thing I'll probably ask you to do. Otherwise, everything that I do on this channel, education, tips, everything I provide for free. If you are looking to download forex robots, indicators, books, everything for free, there are also links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. You can also see the broker that I use in the description box below. With them, you can easily open a $5 account, which I believe is handy if you're going to be testing robots, systems, and stuff like that. I am not a fan of trading on demo, or testing things on demo. Why? Because usually people get trapped in a cycle of just demo, and they never actually learn anything. But you can actually open a real account for as low as $5, and you can actually test things in real market conditions with real money on the line. But it's just $5. It's not like you are betting your whole bank account on it. So go ahead and sign up with them. Get back to the video. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to our Play Store. Let's do that. Let's search for FX Journal. FX Journal, I think this is it, the first one, but let's just do a search. It should definitely be the first one. Unfortunately, I don't have my other phone close to me, the phone that I actually have it installed on, but it's definitely this one. Definitely this one. As a disclaimer, I just use this app. I do not know this person who is behind it, Peter, Hector, or I don't know. I don't even know this person. So if you encounter problems, don't come back and like hammer me in the comment section and stuff like that. It's a handy tool that has worked for me, and I thought let me just also recommend it for you. I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just sharing information. It's for you to use it or not to use it. And if you are going to use it, understand that you are going to use it at your own risk. So don't come in the comment section and try to crucify me or stuff like that. So this is an Forex journal. It's actually called FX journal on the Android app store, and let's install it. Okay, it's installed on our phone, and let's open it. Okay, so this is basically what it's about. What we want to do, you can see they've got a compounding calculator and whatever. You can go to settings there, and you can actually build up your profile, your account. How much do you have in your trading account? And you can start with the date. We can start with the date. Today's date is the 18th. I'm just creating random things so that you see what you can actually put in. So you can put in whatever base currency that you are using, Euro, USD, whatever base currency that you are using, and you can put in the balance. Let's say for argument's sake, we have got a random figure, and we save. And you can definitely do a lot of things. You can put in your deposits. You can track your deposits. You can track your withdrawals, your history. You can wipe data. You can email yourself the data that's contained on this journal. So it's quite handy. It's not like writing things on a piece of paper in a notebook. So you can actually do a lot of things with this app. So let's get out of settings. Now, what you can actually also do is right at the bottom there, you can go to trades where there's that dollar sign. If we go to the dollar sign there, so let's say today I spotted an M pattern on Euro USD. So what I do, because I'm journaling why I took that trade, how I took it, what price I took it at. So you just come to that plus sign there. So you can select whatever you are trading, whether you are trading Forex, indices, or commodities, whatever you are trading. So okay, by chance we are just on Euro USD there. So the trade date, let's just use today's date. We say okay. Then what was the trade setup? You can actually describe a pattern or time frames. So we said we saw M pattern. This is just an example. We said we saw an M pattern. Is that spelling for pattern? Yes. Pattern on 1 hour time frame on H1. It's actually H1, not 1H. So we said we saw an M pattern that we liked on H1 time frame, and we went short. And we went short with that M pattern. And you can actually put in the entry level. Let's just put in random numbers. It was at 1200, and our stop loss, we did put it at, let's say, 1250. It's just random figures. Don't go to the charts and start checking these things. Just random figures. I'm trying to show you how to use this thing to journal your trades. Position size, let's say we took a standard. And take profit, we set it at 1100. and we can actually calculate our risk reward. I think let's do that. You can see our risk reward calculated there, and basically that's it. So it's basically risk reward. You can see 1R, 2R, and the percentages and stuff. Not that it matters a lot, but anyway, it just helps to give you a picture of what you are doing. And after this, you simply say submit, and that's it. You have actually journaled what? Your trade. And we go to the next one. We say, let's choose let's say we got and set up on, let's find, okay, random pair, Australian versus Mexican peso. I've never seen this on my charts, but and let's say we took it on the 15th. Oh, it's not going to work on the 15th. Anyway, you play around with this and see how to actually do this. I wanted to put in the 15th. Let's do that. 15th, out of range, so you can't actually put in an old trade. So you have to do the trades that you are putting in today. So let's say we saw a flag. Let's say we saw a flag on Australian versus Mexican peso. We saw a flag. Let's choose specifics, because what we want to do is we want to track the things that are really working for us, so that we keep on doing those things. So we say we saw a bullish flag, and we say plus let's say random thing, moving average cross, let's say plus what else can we say? Let's say RSI of sold. I'm just giving you a picture of how you can journal your trades. And this was happening on the, we say, let's just say on the daily chart, and the 1 hour chart. It's it's we just playing with this. We're just playing with this. And we took what? A long position. And again, we find we put in our entry level. Let's say we put it at 1.4. Stop loss, we put it at 1.350 because it's a buy. And we went in with a half standard. And our stop loss, we actually set it at, let's just say 2000. So now our risk reward is being calculated. Everything is there, and what's left to do? Submit. Submit. So you can actually see the trades that we did today. So these are the trades that we did today, and it actually also helps you to understand when you come back, probably this trade was a loss, and then you can simply come back and understand why you lost the trade. You can actually also, using this button, take photos. take a photo of the chart so that you basically what keep everything in this journal. So if you lose this trade, you can simply come back and see what happened. So next time we will know that M patterns on 1 hour time frame, we need to be careful with those ones. And let's say this one, it worked out. So we now know whenever we see a bullish flag plus an moving average cross plus RSI in oversold, and we are on the daily and on the 1 hour time frames, we need to take that trade. And again, we can actually use the camera there, the camera with the plus there, to actually take a photo of what we are seeing on our charts. And now that we are beginning to journal what we are doing, now we can understand what works for us and what does not work for us. So basically, this is just showing you how easy it can be to track your trades. For people who don't journal because they think it's so hard, they think it's too hard, it's too much effort. It's not that hard. You can simply get this app. Again, disclaimer, I'm not in any way affiliated with the person behind this journal. What I'm just doing is just showing you a resource that you can actually use. And I like this resource because if you have noticed, there are no adverts popping up and all the noise that you get with many other apps. Maybe it's going to happen in the future. I don't know. It's the choice of the person who is behind the app. I don't know if they are going to put adverts there, because adverts for me are annoying when I'm using free apps. This app is free and it does what it should be doing. So you can also, if you go to the bottom, you can go to performance. Here you can actually get an idea of how many trades were winners, how many trades were losses, your average profit, your average loss, average profit. Basically, you start getting the stats of everything that you are doing. So this is really a handy tool. You can journal your trades on your notebook. You can journal your trades on your notebook. I'm not against that. Besides, sometimes notebooks don't get stolen. Phones might get stolen, or phones might get hacked, or something might happen to the phone, and you can still keep your notebook, or the house can get burnt down and your notebook can get burnt. I'm just saying this is a handy tool. I don't know, maybe you can use it as a backup to your notebook, or you can use it with the notebook as the backup, or however you use it. But I just thought it's a handy tool that I need to share with you guys. So that's it for this. This is how you can easily journal your forex trades. No hassles, no fuss, no nothing. Simple, straightforward. Again, kudos to the person who developed this. Until next time, guys, subscribe if you are new on this channel, like the video. Until next time, bye.